Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll and find this table sim 1 ringtone or table sim 2 ringtone. Basically in this device we've got the ringtones divided, so it means that you can separately set the ringtone for the first SIM card and separately for another one. In that case we've got same ringtones set for both, so let me change it. Let's tap on table sim 1 ringtone. What a strange name. Alright, so after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which means that we can enter our own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So, for example, mountain spring or whatever. So let's pretend I want this ice latte to be set as my ringtone. So just tap on it and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.